Hi, I'm Con Dunning with Adder Technology. Today we're showcasing our new ALIF 100T 0U transmitter. It's part of our Infinity high-performance KVM over IP solution. Basically what it does is it replaces these much larger transmitters that take up 1 U of rack space, where you can get 2 transmitters in 1 U of rack space. This takes up 0 U of rack space. They can be zip tied, they can just hang off the back of systems, and we really allow you to take back your rack with this new 0U dongle. It's USB powered and supports 1080p resolutions, and it's part of the, as I mentioned, part of the KVM over IP infrastructure known as our Infinity solution. You can get more information at www.adder.com.